Normand, a leading manufacturer of farm machinery and snow removal equipment, is proud to present its latest innovation, the Unisol Land Leveler. Inspired by the ideas of a farmer, engineers at Normand have developed a unique land leveler with unprecedented qualities and benefits. Sturdy, uniquely designed and exceptionally versatile, Normand Land Leveler are both steerable and retractable while operating on wheels. Manipulating the machine is child's play, really. The sophisticated hydraulic wheel system allows the operator to move the instrument from a point A to point B and then unfold it without ever leaving the tractor's cabin. Using a radio frequency remote control, the Unisol Land Leveler becomes fully operational in only 30 seconds. Now you can start working. Depending on the type of terrain, the mobility axis of the Unisol Leveler can be adjusted to get the desired results. When you want to attack the ground with serious bite, the blade, featuring an industrial cutting edge, can shift from a passive stance to a very aggressive stance capable of leveling the hardest ground. The curve of the blade, as well as its inner surface coated with anti-friction Teflon, combine to distribute the soil evenly from one end of the Unisol Leveler to the other. See how the soil gets turned around instead of building up on the blade. The Unisol Land Leveler offers little resistance for optimum use with smaller capacity tractors. Therefore, it requires significantly less power and fuel to operate. Normand engineers also worked on the adjustability of the blade angle. The 15-degree angle allows you to remove significant amounts of soil, while closing the blade to a 30-degree angle allows the soil to exit the blade more quickly on a single side only. Additionally, the slant of the blade can also be adjusted in order to create soft inclines. The Unisol Land Leveler delivers the same outstanding performance in light or heavy leveling duties, making it an extremely versatile tool. And unlike every other industrial leveler on the market, the Unisol Land Leveler unfolds, moves back, changes angle, and folds back into place without the operator ever leaving his post in the cabin. The hydraulic system with radio frequency remote control not only eliminates the numerous manual constraints, but it also saves considerable time and energy. And at Normand, time means efficiency and profitability. The Unisol Land Leveler turns a rough, uneven farmland with several depressions into a perfectly flat and level terrain. Only its exceptional long blades sitting over 30 feet behind the tractor can perform this type of work with flawless execution. A level farmland significantly improves culture. Of course, Normand understands this, which is why the removable finishing teeth mounted just behind the blade of the Unisol Leveler turn loose soil into a uniform fill with furrows that greatly improve the natural process of land irrigation and ventilation. Once the work is done, the Unisol Land Leveler from Normand folds back into places less than 30 seconds. It's now ready for transportation, whether you're heading to another field or returning to the farm. Designed to be compatible with the latest technologies, the Unisol Land Leveler can obviously be equipped with the GPS system featuring an inclinometer. One of our greatest concerns at Normand Company is to offer you immediate, courteous and effective customer service. On top of that, our parts service is fast and effective, meeting your every need with a comprehensive inventory of over 18,000 different parts ready for delivery. For nothing but maximum efficiency, think Normand.